Hey guys! Bloopers. Okay. I'm ready. Hey guys, it's Christina and welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, as you can read from the title down below, we're gonna unbox the Be Essential album. So I'm not gonna prolong this any longer. Let's open it. Okay, so it came in today. So I bought it through Weavers using buy and ship, and it was shipped here with LBC. So let's open it. Also, I already disinfected this, and now we're gonna disinfect this again. Got my alcohol. Wow! I'm gonna show you how big it is. Just that big. Ayan. Oh my goodness. Bakit hindi ako magaling mag-cut? This is so unsatisfying. Oh my god! It's a Weaver's box! I'm so happy. First time eh. First purchase ko through Weavers directly. Ano? Weaver shop! I wonder who's my POV. Okay, so this is how it looks. Let's open it once again. It's so exciting. I also bought this during the pre-order period, so let's pray who's gonna be my POB. It's finally here! Oh my goodness. I'm going crazy. Okay, so wow. Uy, what's this? Oh, it says that. Wow, ang ganda. Okay, let's pray who's gonna be my POB. Any member naman okay lang, pero if bias or bias wrecker ka, oh my godness. Oh my godness? Oy, si Jin, guys! Si Jin! Worldwide handsome. Oh my God. I don't know. Wala na akong masabi. Uy, ang ganda. Ang ganda, oh. Wait, let's open it since that's the purpose of an unboxing. Wow! Ayan siya, guys. So pretty. Okay. Set aside. Now we're gonna go open the album. Okay. Here is the album na. Wait, let me check what this is. Walang English. Okay, never mind. So, translate na lang later. Uy, ang ganda. Okay, let's open it. Careful. Open. Wow. Wow. If you can see. There. It's embossed. Oh, ang ganda. How do I get what's inside? Oh, ang ganda! So this is out of the cover. Ang bango! Like this. And then the CD. Ang ganda. Uy, ang ganda. Okay, what is this? Poster! May poster siya, sis! Debak. Debak talaga, debak. Wow! wait. Papakita ko talaga sa inyo. Wow! Ang ganda! It's so beautiful. Wow. Oh my goodness. Okay. Now, I think this is the photo book. Meron bang photo card? Wait. Hoy, ang dami! See this? Wait. Let's just scroll through. Okay, so this is the photo book. Ang gagwapo. Wow, I cannot. I cannot. Okay, let's check the photo card. I got my bias. I got my bias. I think all members naman eh. Wala kasi akong pinanood na unboxing eh, so. Nashock ako. Namjoon. Next one. Si Namjoon. Hoy, ang gwapo oh. Yoongi. We have Jimin. Hobby. Uy, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng quality. Oh my God, may JK ako isa pa. Oh my God. Jungkook again. Taeyong. Guwapo ah. Ganda, and then it's a B. Oh! This. Oh, I could get cash from it. So, good. Wait lang. Nahulog. And then we have Jin. Oh my God, bias ko yung double. I'm so happy. So, basically, that's everything in here. Alo, ang saya. Dalawang Jungkook ko. Ah! Kinikilig ako. Ah! Kinikilig ako. Kinikilig ako, guys. Dalawang photo cards ng bias ko nakuha ko. I am ecstatic. Oh my God. Ang saya, guys. Ang saya. See? Dalawa, and then all members na yung iba. Wow. And then I got Jin as the POV. Ang gwapo. Ang ganda ng quality, ah. Ang ganda. And guys, basically that is my unboxing on the Be Essential album. So, if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to get notified whenever I post or upload a new video. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!